guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. This video is going to be another DIY, and it is for the Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami from the Latina next door, and her co-host this month is Kristin from Kristin Kay. So for my DIY, I found this clay bowl for $365 online with a bunch of succulents, and I chose to recreate it by using just some concrete, and it took just a few of the succulents that I got from the dollar spot at Target, and I had a couple from the Dollar Tree, and the big one that I put in the middle, I can't remember how much that was. We've had it for a few years. It's actually my daughter's. So if you'd like to see how I recreated this clay bowl for much, much less, then please keep watching. So all we did for this was mix up some of the Quikrete concrete, and I recommend following the instructions on water versus the concrete mix, and also follow the directions on the drying time and curing time, because I have the patience of a 2-year-old and didn't wait. So when I first started to pull this apart, it cracked. So I had to do a couple of repair spots. But all you do is mix in the water and the concrete. And I used this, I don't know what they're called. I know they're for plants. Like in the summer, it's like a natural fiber material. I used that as my base to put the concrete in because I wanted the bowl shape. And then I grabbed an old mixing bowl and just kind of stuck it in the center and mushed it down real well. You can see it had a crack in it, but that's okay because it's going in the garbage anyway. And for weight, I just added a couple bricks. And then all you do is just let that dry as long as they say. And then after it's fully dry, you're just going to pull out the plastic container, which I didn't have that filmed. And all it takes is just a little bit of wiggling and squeezing of the plastic. And then all you have to do is cut that natural fiber plant holder thing, cut it away from the cement. And there's going to be the little strands, these string things, but that's okay. You can just pull them off. And then for mine, I didn't even have to add anything to the center. They were all just going to kind of stand on their own because they were in little planters by themselves, the succulents. And then just place them how you want. And that's really all it took. It was super easy and didn't take a lot of time besides the dry time. So I would say probably rounding up, this planter costs $10 because you don't use a whole bag of concrete, and that's super cheap. and the succulents were each $1, and I already had the big one. So really, I'm just going to say it cost $10 versus $365. I think that's a pretty good savings. So I hope you like this planter. And if you're new here, I'd like to say hi and welcome. And I hope you like what you see and consider subscribing. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. And don't forget to check out everybody else's videos in the playlist. I will link that below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.